What's wrong with your president? He imposed tariffs on an island that only has penguins, birds, and seals on it. What the penguins did to him? What are they buying? Make it make sense, Jesus. It's apparent that this man has no friends. It's apparent that nobody on his staff has any sense. Nobody taps him on his shoulder and says, this isn't right. Nobody's buying anything on this island. Nobody's sending anything to this island. Nobody lives on this island. But you impose tariffs on this island. How the day you voted for?